Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Forgive the background noise. Still out here. I'll be out here in a Phoenix area, Arizona area, for the rest of this week. And for those of you that are new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Someone said you don't have to tell people about spammers. Yes, I do. There are people that are out here that are evil people that want to take your money. Never send money or Bitcoin to anybody on any social media. If they say they're me, they're not, okay? Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. But this coming week in this market, good people, I believe will be an interesting week. We've been able to kind of in a loose way, kind of see what's going to happen in the week. Just like this past week, I said we're going to have a lot of green days, but I think reality might hit this week. No one knows. The market is very skittish. Okay, here's some of the things that I do know. I do know that probably 2/3 of the people that are following me have been new to the stock market in the last couple of years, meaning that other than COVID-19, you've never really experienced a bear market, right? And so what I will tell you is now is not the time to be, I would not, if you're new, I would not be making extremely risky moves. I would not be going all in on one particular stock. I would not be using margins. It's not that time. No one can time the market. And, like I've been saying, for the last couple of weeks, you can cut on the news, you can cut on YouTube, you could see some people saying, oh, it's over. Some people are saying this is going to be a short period. And some people saying it's going to be a long period, right? You turn to one page, they're saying 7 rate hikes. You turn to some, they're saying 3, and you turn to some, they're saying no rate hikes. The fact is, there will be rate hikes. How many? We don't know. No one knows. So, Larry, what can we do? If you're experienced, you could be doing some options, of course. And when I mean options, I mean short options, short plays, not long plays, short plays. But now, if you think that this is going to be a standard 3-month bear market, then you can do some longer out plays on some reopening stock. Okay, so I'm doing myself. I'm betting on Disney, right? I got some July calls. And I got some June calls and I got some July calls. But for those of you that are not experienced in the market, this is the time to keep it simple and to exercise patience. This is the time to dollar cost average in. I've been saying that since last year. I'm not Meet Kevin, and I'm not hating on Meet Kevin, but I told you guys to start taking profits, in December of last year. Right, the end of November, the beginning of December, I said, hey, start taking profits. I took heat for that, but here we are. And for those of you that did take profits and moved into cash, you're doing better than a lot. So all of us are seeing red in this market. Okay, you're not alone. We're all seeing red in this market, right? So what we want to do, find a good company that do not have an expensive PE ratio, right? Find a good company, a high conviction company, not a speculative company, and dollar cost average through this bear market, and you'll be okay. It's just that simple, good people. It don't take a lot of brains, it takes temperament. And so that's what we need to be doing. There will be some stock that will get beaten down and you will think that they were at the bottom, and then guess what happens? They'll get beat down again. So don't put all your money. If you take anything away from this, and I'm going to keep saying it, now's not the time to go all in unless you're experienced. There will be some stock for experienced traders that they could go all in. But let's face it, good people. Let's tell the truth, okay? Let's exercise. There's more to learn than we know, right? There's more to learn because the market has changed. The market changed more in 2020 and 2021 than it has in the last 20 years, all right? So let's let the market tell us what it's going to do, and let's continue to make money. Yes, are you buying, Larry? Yes, I am buying. I've been sharing with you on all of these videos, just about every play I make, that's what I share with you guys. But the fact of the matter is, the biggest play that I'm in now is dollar cost averaging, right? And I created 3 portfolios, and I'm going to continue to dollar cost average through this bear market with those 3 portfolios. If you don't know where they are, I'm going to leave a link right here. Now, hey, I'm out here in the Phoenix area, and I want to say that I looked at a coffee house that's in the Happy Valley area in Phoenix. Right by that mall. If you want to do a meet and greet this Thursday, let's say 5:30 through 7:30, leave me a comment. Say yes, blah, 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 blah. It'll be like this Thursday. There's a coffee house. I'll get you guys the information that I was looking at to do a meet and greet, all right? From 5:30 to 7:30 here in Happy Valley area in the Phoenix, Arizona area. All right. And the only thing that I will say that I'm more bullish to dollar cost averaging in is crypto. And I've been sharing with you guys, there's a lot of stuff. Yes, I still have all of my crypto. I still have all of my CRO, my Crow in my long hole. I still have all of my Shiba that I bought at Quad 017 in my Coinbase app. I still have all of that. And I've been, and I am buying more ADA Cardano. It's extremely cheap, and I'm dollar cost average again. And yes, I'm buying some Solana. Y'all pray for your boy. I'm getting some help. I know I call it Solano all of the time, but I'm going to see Dr. Phil, and he's going to help me say Solana instead of Solano. But when I get to talking, I just say Solano every time. But it's Solana. I know I get corrected every time, but I love you guys, and we're just going to dollar cost average through this, and we're going to make a lot of money. Make sure you leave me a comment if you want to do this meet and greet. It'd be nice to see you guys. I love each and every one of you. I'm going to keep you well informed, and we're going to watch the stock market, and we're going to keep you informed. We got some people there. Hey, y'all say hello to the good people. Hey. All right. Hey, I love you guys. We'll talk to you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.